Good morning, everyone. Now I am speaking over from Kinswise, and I usually spend my weekend sleeping, visiting, and working on my farm in Kinswise. I get up so early this morning because I just want to get the fresh morning air and listen to the birds singing and also drink a cup of hot tea. I like this kind of delightful environment. And in this video, I'm going to show you some fruit that I have in my farm, and so you will be able to learn some vocabulary about those fruits. Let's go. Okay, this is called, what is this? Grapefruit. Yeah, grapefruit. It peels very well. Okay, this is 3, 4. Oh, this is just baby one, yeah, the youngest one. And 5. Where are 6? Oh, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, up 19. Oh, almost 20. So this is grapefruit. Alright, somebody like grapefruit? Okay, what about this? This is because jackfruit. Jackfruit. Okay, go to the other. Okay, what about this? Who know this? This is called papaya. Papaya. Okay, what about this? What is this fruit called? Okay, this fruit is called guava. Guava. It is still young. We cannot pick it and eat yet, so leave it there. I think probably we can pick it and eat next week. Oh, a lot, but they are so young. This is we call ginger. Ginger. Ginger is a kind of root, yeah, a root plant. Ginger. And this is sweet potato. Sweet potato. This is sweet potato. Sweet potato is also a kind of root plant. Okay, that's all for this video, and thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.